A defendant is on the verge of being sent to jail. Her crime? Chronic lateness. Despite multiple warnings from the judge, she's late again. Now, she must convince the court why she shouldn't be taken into custody immediately. This is a high-stakes moment where a simple failure to be on time could cost her her freedom.
Oh, so here's my first question. Why shouldn't I take you into custody?
Because of me.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Because of what?
Because I don't think I should go to jail or something.
I mean, you should, because let me tell you why. You were in this court on October 14th and you were late. And I informed you not to be late again, and you're currently late.
Yes.
And if I drug test you today, what are the results going to be?
Me. I haven't smoked. Yes. Now I'm going to take one right now and then come back. I would be allowed to.
Do you want me to do that?
Judge, I believe her. I really do. She's on house arrest. She's not going anywhere. She's not, Do I want you to? No. But do I think she'll pass? I do. Honestly, I really do.
We'll do one today.
And just so you know, Jasmine can tell you what I have been telling her about being on time in this court. And trust me, I have dressed her down twice now about being here on time and told her that this will happen, and it's happening. So just the court knows I have emphasized how important it is to get here in this court on time. She does rely on others to get here. So, partly her fault, partly not, but I think that's part of the problem.
All right, let me tell you what part of the problem is with you. One, I can make sure I know where you are and that you'll be on time, maybe because the jail will bring you over. And let me just tell you what's in the system. This case was transferred from another court. And guess what it says on September 2nd, 2025? Defendant late to court. And then guess what it says on October 14th with me? Defendant late for court. So this whole depending on others, then maybe you can't depend on others. Maybe you need to take the via bus.
Yes, ma'am.
State on this case, where are we on discovery? Where are we on offers on this case?
Your Honor, I believe the discovery should have been taken care of when the case got. Well, I mean, it existed in another court, so all the discovery should have already been there. I'm not aware of any new discovery that hasn't been turned over.
And I think that's what we're here for. I believe that they have given us the discovery, and I'm confirming that to the court. I have been dealing with Ms. Galloway on this particular case, who's trying to get up to speed on it. I have not yet. She's going to get me an offer that hasn't happened yet. And I'm, being patient with them, understanding it's a court that just got a case that got dumped into their lap very recently. So that's kind of where we all are right now, Judge.
All right, Ms. Ferguson.
Yes, ma'am.
Recall this for December 18th. And I'm telling you right now, if you're not on time, a warrant's going to be issued.
Yes, ma'am.
Unless there is some reason why it shouldn't be.
If there is, I'll let you know, and I'll emphasize again to her the need to be here on time.
All right. And Norma, you can set that for discovery and an offer to be tendered.
It won't happen again, because if I need to take the bus, I will, and I'll make sure I'll be here on time instead of you getting a ride from anybody else.
Oh, let me just tell you, in taking the bus, there's no shame in it. I used to take the bus as an attorney. I enjoyed it because I was able to leave the driving to someone else. And guess what? I picked up a lot of clients on the bus because everybody, Doc, who rode the bus with us, Doc would say, "This is Stephanie Boyd. She's an attorney." And people who had DWIs were on the bus. And so
Yes, ma'am.
they would say, "Give me a card."
Then you get the weirdos too.
No, I will tell you, I enjoyed taking the bus. I met some great people. And I don't know why sometimes people are ashamed of being on the bus. And I'm like, I don't know why people are ashamed. It was great. I will tell you, I didn't like taking the 92 because that's the Fredericksburg bus. I would take it if I just had time on my hands because it goes throughout the entire city. But if I could catch the 90 or the 92, I was like, yay. because the 90
Yeah.
takes you on the freeway,
Yeah.
which is a frightening prospect. But that bus driver, you know what he would do? He would put on his leather gloves with no fingers. And I was like, okay, what's happening here? And we would be zooming, but it was awesome.
Professional.
Driving gloves. There's one thing I forgot.
Mhm.
She is on GPS. Her GPS officer, as I understand from Jazzy, she lives in an apartment complex, and attached to that apartment complex is a park for the residents. Park is not on her portion of the apartments. It's kind of broken up. The GPS officer, to my understanding, is okay if she has young children and a dog. She would like to go there. Does the court wish for me to file a formal
You have
motion?
to talk to the state to see if they have an issue with
They
that.
don't. I spoke to Ms. Gunnels already, and so,
Once you, just give me 1 second.
okay. I have the name and the address of the park.
Oh, this is. There you are, Kenson. And you all need to sign that. All right, you can step back. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you so much, Joe.
All right, who's next?
I have, Unforgettable.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
Okay.
All right. Let me,
But she has two cases. There's one under her married name of Cable Duke, 2021, and a 2025 case under her maiden name of Sanchez.
Should make sure.
all right.
We're asking for a reset in both of these. The 2020 case, 2021 case is incorrectly indicted. They're going to re-indict. They alleged the wrong group. Been a long time. And the other one, there is some discovery that we haven't been able to get, but she is a large, extra large discovery.
Stay.
State is now downloading that, and we're going to pick it up this afternoon.
All right.
And I'm going to visit with Ms. Sanchez this weekend. So we're asking if we can do this just before or just after Thanksgiving. I go out of state in December.
All right, you go out of state on December 8th?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we're going to come back, and we're going to come back, Norma, have this case brought back on December 4th. And that's going to be the final discovery date. And then it's going to be a quick turnaround for a plea deadline date. Because this case is old.
Well, one of them is, the other is
Yes.
not. This is
I
on
know.
the second appearance on the other
Okay.
25. And
All
the
right.
old one, as I mentioned, they sat on it for so long, they listed the wrong truth. That was wrong.
I was just gonna say a plea offer has also been extended because I know it's
Yeah.
taking more time than.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Have you excused?
Yes.
Thank you.
She avoided custody this time, but with a final, stern warning: the next time she's late, a warrant will be issued. The judge even shared a surprising story about riding the bus to emphasize there are no excuses. Did she learn her lesson, or is she one missed ride away from jail? Thanks for watching.